Hello, students and parents. My name is Peter Workman, or Mr. Workman, and you have hopefully found yourself in one of my science classes. This page is here to direct you to my learning platform, which is Google Classroom. And so below, you should find the link to your specific period of science. Please double check your schedule, make sure that you're in there. You should already be enrolled. I believe I was able to successfully sync my rosters with Google Classroom. However, if you are unable to access it, if you need a join code, or if you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. My email is pworkman@psdschools.org. That Google Classroom page is your first stop. It is the place where all of the information to be successful in the class is housed, and so you want to be checking it regularly. Above, you'll find some links to a little more information about the classes, primarily just schedules of when we will be meeting synchronously, either through Teams or Google Meet. But we're on a new frontier. We are on a new way of learning remotely, and I know there's some uncertainty and a little bit of uncomfortability, but I am excited to be undergoing the journey with you, and so here we go.